Hello. Okay, time for the orange long wrist giveaway. Don't ask me what my else is doing. I have no idea. Anyway, 5 people entered. I took a few more days because I was trying to wait for some more entries, but it's okay, we'll do it now. 5 more chance of winning, I guess. You're all on the wheel, and good luck. Let's spin this. That is an uncontinuous mad face. What about this, Mo? I know you hate that face. Oh no, it's not. It's this one. Mo hates that face. Okay, so let's get on with the wheel spin. Friendly and kawaii. Kawaii? Okay, congratulations, you won the wrist. Let's get over and friendly. Okay, spell it. Okay, hopefully your jags are on. Wrists. Stretch along. Yes, it's the right person, isn't it? Yes. Oh, and it went through. Congratulations. Okay, that's it. In the future, I want to do bigger giveaways. More and bigger. Once I get a few more people along, the prizes will definitely get bigger. Maybe 1,000 subs, and I might do a HD headdress giveaway. So yeah, keep watching, stay tuned, invite your friends. And that's it, guys. Thanks. See ya.